Alright, good day student. As you can see, an equilateral triangle is placed inside a rectangular box of area 84 cm squared, having a side length of DEBH. So when it is placed, there's a point here, we label it G and H. So the length of the rectangle is 14 cm and the area is 84 cm squared. What area of the triangle is not enclosed by the rectangular box? So what area of the equilateral triangle is not enclosed by the rectangular box? So we have done some labeling, so we can call here C as well. Since it's equilateral triangle, we have to know that since the length of the triangle is 14 cm, the length of the rectangle is 14 cm, which means here is 14 cm, which means that AB is equals to DE is equals to 14 cm. So area of the rectangle will be equals to area of the rectangle, I can call it A, is equals to, you can use anything, BE multiplying, in this case, DE. And we are told that the area of the rectangle is 84. So it's given 84. And then the length, which is also given, DE, AB is equals to DE, and it's given to be 14. So in this case, we have BE times 14 is equals to 84. So you can divide both sides by 14. So when you do that, you have that BE is equals to 6 cm. So we have that BE is equals to 6 cm. Here is 6 cm. Here we also equal to 6 cm. So what we are looking for is the area of the triangle that is not enclosed by the rectangular box. That is the area of this triangle CGH is what we are looking for. If you see this side is enclosed by the rectangle, so what we are looking for is CGH. That is the area of the triangle that we are looking for. So we can now clean here, so we have a space to solve this problem. Let's clean here. Remember, we are told that it's equilateral. So let's clean here. Alright, so BE is giving us 6 cm. Alright, so here is 6 cm. Now the next thing we have to do is to let us consider triangle ABC. Let's consider triangle ABC since equilateral. So from triangle A, I want to focus on the angle here. ACB. We notice that AB is equals to BC is equals to AC. That is, since it's equilateral, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So this is 14 cm. So now we have gotten the 14 cm. Since it's equilateral, here will be 60 degrees. Here will be, and the included angles are also equal. So all we need to do is to draw a perpendicular line from C and then to this point. So we call this point M, and we can call this point Q. So once we have done that, the next thing we have to do is to solve some problem involving, you notice that this side, because line CM is an angular bisector, which means BM is equals to AM, which means here will be 7 cm, here will also be 7 cm. So now we have done that, we have to consider triangle CMOB. So when we do that, we use Pythagoras theorem to find the length cm. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have that CB squared is equals to BM squared plus CM squared. So BC is given to be 14. Is equilateral, all sides are equal. BM is 7 cm. And then we have CM squared. So cm squared is equals to 14 squared minus 7 squared. So what do you have? By solving it, you have 147. That gives us 147, so that we find the square root of both sides. And when we do that, we have 147, the square root of 147. So, but we are interested in the finding the height CQ from the diagram CQ, so that we will find the area of the triangle left CGCH. So what is the next thing we have to do? Now we have gotten CM. So notice that CQ plot CQ plus QM is equals to CM. CQ plus QM is equals to CM. And we know that where QM is equals to EB, which is the width of the rectangle, and that gives us CCM. So you put all of the values you already obtained here. You have that CQ plus CM QM, which is 6, is equals to the square root of 147. So from here, have CQ is equals to the square root of 147 minus 6. So we have gotten what? CQ to be equals to the square root of 147 minus 6 cm. So that enables us to focus on the triangle GCM. Notice that this line here, this angle here is equals to this angle. These are similar triangles. Here is 60 degrees. That is triangle CQE is similar to triangle CMB. So they are similar triangle. The reason is side angle side. So let's proceed from here. We can clean here. Any question? Alright, so let's proceed. Now we can use this concept to find the side of the triangle. So from triangle CHQ, we can use that concept to find this length. Can we? So let's do that. So by trigonometry, you have CQ divided by CH is equals to sine what? Sine 60. So we are looking for CH. We are looking for CH. Is it not? So from here, cross multiply, you have CH is equals to CQ divided by sine 60. So let's clean here. Is there anything left? So let's clean it. So from here, let's proceed. So from here you have CH CQ is equals to what do we obtain as CQ? We obtain our CQ to be the square root of 147 minus 6. And what do you know about sine 60? Sine 60 is the square root of 3 divided by 2. So that means that CH is equals to 2 in bracket the square root of 147 minus 6 divided by 3. Remember, square root of 3 in cm. Now we have gotten the side of the triangle that we are trying to find the area that is not enclosed by the rectangle. So therefore area of, remember that this side CH is equals to CG. Your here is 60, here is 60, here must also be 60, which means it's this equilateral. So area of triangle GCH, let's call this one AC is equals to half multiplying CH squared, one of the side, sine what? Sine 60 degree. So we now have to substitute AC is equals to half all of this. That gives us 2 in bracket the square root of 147 minus 6 divided by root 3 squared. So multiplying sine 60 is equals to root 3 divided by 2. So how do you solve it? Simplify that and then you multiply out. Solve it. Use your calculator. Use your calculator to solve it. If you simplify it, you have root 3 in bracket root 147 minus 6. This is minus divided by, remember to put your square here, divided by 6, and then the unit cm squared. Or you can leave the answer in decimal, in 2 decimal places. That will give us 21.66 cm squared. Whichever way you solve it, that is the area of the triangle which is not enclosed by the rectangle. Is the area of the triangle, the given triangle that is not enclosed by the rectangular what? Boss. So that is the answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, subscribing to my channel to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share, others will be aware of these free videos I'm giving to you. You can as well go to our website at www.manzananews.com to subscribe to our monthly or annually use of our website to learn mathematics. There are many practical questions, exercises, lecture videos, where you can also ask questions and get answers immediately. Everything you have to know in mathematics and advanced mathematics are all there to help you do well in this area of endeavor. If you enjoyed this video, before you go, please click the subscribe button to encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye for now.